right, let's talk about discipline procedures in the classroom. First of all, you will get a warning if you are disobeying any of my... Okay, let's talk about discipline procedures in the classroom. First of all, you will get a warning if you disobey any of my expectations that we've already gone over. Number two, if this continues, I will call home and have a 30-minute teacher assigned detention. If this continues again, I will also call home a second time and you will receive a 60-minute school detention. If we have to address the same situation a fourth time, another call will go home and you will receive a referral. Let's talk about conduct grade and what it is, what it means. Conduct grade will appear on your report card specifically, or on your progress report. 0 to 1 infractions means satisfactory. You will have an S. 2 or more infractions means needs improvement. You will have an N. And if you have referrals, it means unsatisfactory. On the flip side, good behavior is rewarded here at Wellborn Middle School. We have Warhawk points and classroom rewards to recognize great behavior and great efforts in the classroom and in the hallways.